Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ilsusik Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. Ilsusik Deryang, Samban and Saban. So first I'm going to step to the left into a front stance, shifting to my right. Pakiso ano maki. And then I'm going to twist tulo chundang hong kyuk, twist tulo sandang hong kyuk, and step up and yap chagi. And retreat back and reset. Now I'll do saban, go to the other side to the right. I'll do the same thing. Step out to front stance, outside inside block, twist middle punch, twist high punch, and side kick, retreat back, and reset. Now from your perspective, I'm going to go to the left first. I'm going to go outside in, left hand blocking, and left foot stepping. Twist punch middle, twist punch high, line up the shot, side kick, and retreat back. Now I'll do the same on the right side. Step out, outside inside block, twist punch, and side kick, and retreat back. And that is Ilsusik Deryang, Samban and Saban. And that is One Step Sparring 3 and 4. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for new video notifications. And in the next video will be 5 and 6. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.